Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now I am really excited today because I'm going to be decorating some charcuterie boards. So come on with me, guys. Now, I'm not sure what everybody else is doing, but I wanted to give you something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing some sweets boards. And I am going to be keeping it in pink. I have to be honest, I can't let go of the pink or the red so soon yet. And let's see what I put together, guys. So now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Super Bowl Sunday Entertaining Boards, and that's being hosted by Jean Home Decor and more, myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Jennifer at Home, Juvalie, and IB Doll. So I'm so excited. Let's get started. All right, so at Walmart, I purchased these beautiful heart-shaped cookies, and this is all that's left, guys, and it was like quite a bit, but we're going to go ahead and display this. And I just wanted to tell you that that little charcuterie board, I thrifted. It is the most adorable board that I have. It's so good for like so many different things. So here we are displaying those beautiful cookies. And no, I did not make cookies, guys, because I am so tired from school, but there was no way I was going to miss anything. So here is the display of the leftover cookies. So let's move on to the next one, guys. So this board right here, I think I got this at Dollar General. I'm not really sure, but anyway, I had that purple design up on the top. So I'm going to be displaying another dessert that I purchased at Walmart, which was absolutely amazing. I go crazy for all this pink and red stuff for Valentine's Day. So I am going to be serving you right now. There you go. And these are these cute and adorable little mini donuts, which I know my son and I are gonna devour. So let's display this. so I went and got my square board, and I did decide to go and get some of the grapes that I put on the side of the board just because it looks nice. I probably could have did a cheese board, but we were definitely just sticking with sweets. So I'm gonna go ahead and get what I need, and I'll be right back. So I decided to go ahead and drape those grapes along the side. And then I'm going to be bringing over these amazing cookies that I also buy like all of the time, and also from Walmart. So now the fun part about these boards is that you can decorate these boards with whatever food items that your family likes. Remember, you're not trying to decorate the boards to impress anyone, but you want to make sure that you're entertaining your family and they are enjoying what they're eating. So we're doing a sweets board. I could have had cake and something, but this is what I had, so this is what I'm displaying. But always remember that, guys, because your family's the one that's going to eat it, so you put out their favorite stuff. Now, doesn't this look absolutely amazing? I'm going to leave this here and go get the rest of the boards. And so, I had to get a candle and light that. And then I just went and grabbed some accessories that were Valentine's Day. It's not a Valentine's Day, it's for Super Bowl, but I just can't get away from the red and the pink. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. And I also want to thank each and every one of the hosts that joined me in this collaboration, guys. I so appreciate you and I love you guys. All right, so have an amazing day and God bless you.